English Anyone, Lesson 2, Singular and Plural 2. Noun plus S. Book, books. Car, cars. Boat, boats. Bottle, bottles. S, SS, SH, CH, X, plus ES. Bus, buses. Glass, glasses. Brush, brushes. Wrench, wrenches. Box, boxes. Consonant plus Y plus IES. Baby, babies. Berry, berries. Vowel plus Y plus S. Key, keys. Way, ways. F, FE plus VES. Leaf, leaves. Irregular nouns. Foot, feet. Child, children. Woman, women. Man, men. Person, people. For more free tips, lessons, and videos, and to discover the 7 secrets to becoming a confident, fluent English speaker easily and automatically, visit us at EnglishAnyone.com.